Hello everyone, it's me Ventario again. And we're playing a game of Clash of Clans. And just wanna say that I've did some improvements, like what I said from yesterday. And I joined this clan. It's called the Yin Yang clan. This is the ID of the clan because me and my president said I should promote this clan. So everyone, hit that join button on my clan if you play Clash of Clans, and like and subscribe. And today we're preparing for clan wars, and this is some bits might as well have changed, but I like it. So this is War 1, and this is what I see. This is like a tournament. Like a tournament. If you won this round, you know what happened. Wait a minute, go. No. So we're gonna get ready for the war. And I'm just gonna grind. Boys? Yeah. F3. I feel like we're about to lose, so I'm gonna put this guy. Red Giants. Very unfortunate attack. Nice. Run! Run! Do not die! No! This barbarian is a rip. Everyone just like to subscribe, and I'm gonna leave clearly my phone button down, and I cannot use the charger while playing the game and recording. I'll see you guys on the next video tomorrow. Bye bye, and like and subscribe.